We'll guide you through how to create a dropdown in CodePen. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CodePen on your desktop and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, click on the Create New Pen button, which is usually at the top right of your dashboard. This will open a new pen where you can start coding. In the HTML panel, you need to set up the basic structure for your dropdown. Start by creating a button element with a class name like dropdown toggle, and inside it, you can write something like dropdown to indicate what it does. Below the button, create a div with the class dropdown menu. Inside this div, you can put your list items, each wrapped in an anchor tag, to represent the options in your dropdown. Next, switch over to the CSS panel and style your dropdown. You can set the dropdown menu class to have properties like display none initially, so it stays hidden until triggered. You can also style the button and the dropdown items to suit your design. Now, to make the dropdown functional, go over to the JavaScript panel. Here, add an event listener to the button, targeting the click event. Inside the event handler, toggle a class on the drop-down menu that changes its display property from none to block. This can be done using the ClassList.toggle method in JavaScript, which makes the drop-down appear when the button is clicked and disappear when clicked again. Test your drop-down by clicking the button to ensure it shows and hides as expected. With these steps, you've successfully created a drop-down in CodePen. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.